Okay, today we have a Cisco system, good brand, Cisco Wireless Access Point. I got a few of these in that big, in the server haul that I did from, the Facebook Marketplace guy. So we do have a few gold-plated pins on the connectors back here, and we will see what else we have once we get inside here. This looks like it's gonna be too small. Too small. That one too small yet. That's a T10, so let's go T15. That's not working either. That doesn't feel like it's going in. Oh, I see the problem. These are security pins. So let me see if I have my T10. Or something close to it. I don't know why they gotta put security pins in these things. Well, I don't see it there. And I've got another set of tools coming tomorrow. No. Be back in one moment. I need to go find my other. That feels about right. No, that's not working either. We'll have to wait on this one. Now there is one other way that you can get through something like this. see what we can do with it now. I will say that whoever made this made it very strong. Smaller than you. Finally got somebody that actually wants to work for something. On the bright side, if I had to refilm this, I've got three of them. Well, that's definitely going to have some gold in it. These appear to just be holding on the antennas. Plate first. Pretty well made. Cast aluminum for the front. On the bad side, these are just spinning. Definitely gonna have to That's one way of getting it out. Back, likewise, cast aluminum. Made in 05. Yep, November 7, 05. That's just sealed. Yep. So what's on this thing? They're all still there. And a few more nubbits of aluminum with a little bit of steel in it that will separate when we melt. We got the antennas here. That, again, I don't know if there's anything worth anything in it. These are detachable, in fact. That may be of value. It looks like it's got a little copper in there. What looks like a brass pin in these connectors. I'll try and find a better way of taking this apart next time. Hopefully, like I said, I've got a set of micro screwdrivers coming in tomorrow that fills the gap on some of the items that I'm missing. So I'll check those with it. But what do we have here? We have what looks to be a lot of tantalum capacitors, MOSFETs, chips. Probably some MLCCs on here. Looks like there's another inducer right here, which will have a small copper spool in it. Backside. So we've got a couple aluminum capacitors, small transformer, gold corner BGA, some more chips, flat pack. These guys are the antenna cords, and sometimes they'll be gold plated on the ends. These look more copper to me. It definitely looks like there's some gold plating on this board though. So on this one we got a couple BGAs, a gold banded crystal oscillator, some gold fingers. Backside, another BGA, a few little chips and surface mount items. Let's see if we can get under this cover. It's a very thin piece of metal. There we go. Well, I took a corner of it off. Exposed one more little chip. Any place I could see to get under it. And a little section of it off. Another little, that is a tiny little flat back. So every time I expose something, there we go, got that one off. Some more flat packs. another, not sure if that's a crystal oscillator or not. If it is, it's tiny. That's all we got on that little board. There might be something. Mr. Stinkbug, get out of here. More tiny little MOSFETs or chips, one or the other there. So that's that board. This one, like I said, it's got the gold-plated BGA or gold corner BGA, some other chips and MOSFETs and stuff. Transformer will take off. Get the copper out of there. Those look like they might be relays. This one's taking longer than I thought it would, but most of it was getting into it there. Yep, those are relays. We got a nice little coil of copper in there, 2 of them in fact, and we'll probably have some tiny little silver contacts. They probably just fell out on me there. Probably not worth taking these apart, but you know me, I'm after taking everything apart. Don't know what that one is either. Let's see what's in that. This is probably another one of those. This is full of resin, so I'm assuming it's going to be one of those items with a lot of little copper coils in it. They're just impossible to take apart. Whatever this is, it's like jelly almost inside, like a rubber. I think I see some little copper in there. Tiny stuff if it is. So yep, I'll put this in to be processed later, but the gold-plated pen, fingers and whatnot, chips and all that'll come off, and of course the 10 ohm capacitors and MLCCs. The rest of it will get processed with the board. Okay, so that's it for today. Have a good one.